Upholstery Supplies by V.E. Thoman. Today I am presenting you compensation switch plates, single and double. When it is installed, you will see that the plate cover is flush to the fabric. So to install it, all the electric outlets need to be pulled out. Then the plate is placed on the wall like this. Make sure it is leveled, vertical and horizontal. Then fix with brad nails all around. Now, for wider switches, cut a double plate in half vertically and place a piece of compensation stick to extend the plate. Fasten your padding as usual, and this is what you're getting.